What's up YouTube? It's Alex Combow here, owner, CEO, and graphic designer of Snowbound Apothecary. Today I've got 7 quotes for you to help fuel your vision. If you think your vision needs to get a little bit of fuel on this Tough It Out Thursday, then stick along for this ride. It's going to be a pretty fun one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. My first quote for you guys today is, your potential reaches the sky. It goes as high as you want it to go. If you want it to go all the way up into the heavens, it'll go all the way up into the heavens. If you set your goals high, then you can achieve them. If you set them higher, then you can achieve higher than what you think. Don't let your goals be stuck in a box like everybody tells you to do. The people that say that'll never happen because only the lucky get famous, those people, shove them out of your life. They don't matter. What matters is the fact that you can and you will do it as long as you remind yourself every day and you visualize every day what it is you're trying to accomplish. My second quote for you today is, let where fuel you more than how. Let the where you want to go fuel you first. If you want to be a 100 millionaire, let that fuel you before how you're going to get there is going to fuel you. First of all, you need to establish the outline for your system, okay? So you want to know what it is you want to accomplish, and then along the way, the how is going to be revealed to you. You're going to know how to do it because you're taking the steps that you need to take. Or you may not be taking the steps that you need to take, but at least you're taking steps. And by taking those steps, things are going to be revealed to you in a different way than they would be if you were just standing still. So keep moving, keep moving. My third quote for you today is, find your inner balance. If you want to keep moving, you have to be balanced inside. You have to have a calm state of mind. You have to be able to take a step back and see how you're going to be able to get there from afar rather than up close. And the only way you can do this is by achieving your inner balance. Quote number 4, bring an umbrella so your dreams can rain down. The more prepared you are for success, the more successful you will be. If you are telling yourself you are going to succeed, then you will succeed if you're prepared for it. But do everything, take the steps you can for success. One of the things I read when I was having trouble finding a partner was to prepare yourself for your partner to be there. That means doing little things like preparing your bed for your partner to sleep on that side of bed with you, or to prepare a meal as if your partner were to be there to enjoy that meal with you. So set the dinner table twice. So in other words, bring an umbrella so your dreams can rain down. My 5th quote for you, and this one's super cliche, the future is now. Enjoy the steps you're taking to getting to the future, because once you get there, you're not going to be any happier by having acquired things. So that means enjoy your time right now in the present along the way. My 6th quote for you is, dream big and achieve bigger. Now, at a certain state, you can dream a certain size and still achieve bigger than what you're dreaming. But if you're dreaming really small, like you just want to make a 100K salary instead of being a millionaire, then that is all you're going to achieve. Maybe you'll get a 125K salary, but that's not going to be much of a difference. Whereas if you're dreaming of being a 100 millionaire, then maybe you can be a 150 millionaire. You know what I mean? Have $150 million. So because it's the same concept there, you're dreaming big, but you're achieving bigger because you never stop achieving because your dreams are that strong. My 7th and last quote for you guys is, welcome discomfort, gain altitude. That means there's going to be a lot of uncomfortable situations that you're going to have to put yourself in, but being able to put yourself in these uncomfortable situations really proves yourself to luck, or proves yourself to momentum that you do have what it takes to be successful. So that means you'll be going up and up and up the ladder by networking with new people, by creating new contacts, by just moving on and putting yourself in uncomfortable situations, maybe more stressful situations than you would typically deal with. But resolving these situations and handling them is how you are going to become successful. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of these quotes. If they're lame, if they're awesome, I want to know either way. So let me know, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.